Alright, hello everyone. Demon Shadow Hunter here. Welcome to, Keep the Door Locked, if I remember the intro correctly. It's a game when... you have to keep the entity out, everything else, that kind of thing.
Rest to your heart's content, and make sure to obey the rules. The hotel has a strict no refund policy under any circumstances. Good luck, and we hope you see the sunrise again.
Okay, so I did play this, to be honest, and it was fun. I done like 8 night first times. Okay, let's do this quick. Hotel safety rule. Bed, bathroom monster, never sleep alone, let a guest into your room first. Ooh. Okay, so yeah.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left? So, keep your door locked.
Shit. Let's skip it. So the door, bathroom monster, you know. Okay, so basically you have to keep your eye on the camera, see what it is, see any stings on their back or anything, or dead corpse around, because when you look through the peephole, you only have Please, Exorcist, I've been running floor to floor. Okay, so he's good because the red text didn't come up. But if it was, that would be bad. There we go, make it full screen. Right, yep. Do that. Oh, and you have to clean up the messes that made by them as well, apparently. No decency. Isn't it even right there in the corner? Right.
You're still here. Wow. Okay. That's great. Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you. So, look, same deal as last night. Door stays shut, don't believe anybody out there. It gets worse the longer you stay, just so you know. But hey, you already know that, don't you? Anyway, I'm not gonna lie to you and say you'll be fine. But good luck tonight. Really. I mean it.
Yeah, so... Okay. She's bad already. Head twitch.
Back.
Oh. Gonna add... Oh. Yeah, it's been a minute now or so I can... That was too soon. I heard knocking from the wall. Please don't let me out here. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so if I accidentally let the wrong person in, it would be bad. Oh, and I get paid as well from doing this. Yeah, sorry about if you see this weird top thing in the corner, like FPS, GPU, whatever it is. I don't know what I did to have them up, so sorry if you can't really see it properly. Okay, there we go. Bollocks in hell. Oh hell no, what is that on the ceiling? Oh, that's gonna make me feel uneasy. know they're good, so they're good. You can literally whiz through this. I even done it once myself on this game. I only played 2 games, that's about it. Alright. Now that critics is no longer on the ceiling, I'm okay with it. I'm not too sure why they didn't do it now and then sleep later. Unless it's for safety, like they need to keep that on a container ratio.
Yeah, I think there might be some.
Shit. Oh, that's a ghost. Translucent ghost. Jesus. That was a powerful knock. No. Don't look at that. But at the same time, I need to see it for myself. Please save me. I swear what I did. I saw what it did to next door. Should I let him? Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I messed up. Okay. Yeah, you have to be careful what they're saying. It's like, you don't know if it... Okay. You don't know if it could be like anything. So I killed the guy by accident, so that's on me. Don't know why T for flashlight. It meant to be for air flight. T for torch. T for torch, but F is for flashlight. You can see it at the bottom left corner of the screen. Hell no. I saw you translucent. Oh my god. Definitely need an upgrade to get rid of the ads.
Hey, your lights just tripped the breaker. You'll need to head out to the hall panel and reset it yourself. Go out and turn left and you will find the breaker box. I'm not doing it for you.
You dickhead. That man really wants me dead. Hell no, buddy. Get lost. Okay, this guy, 50-50. His hands up is a bit sketch. Yep. Yeah, so you can stay in one night doing this, but if you keep locking people out, you messed up. Bruh. Yeah, unfortunately that happened. I'm gonna turn off a light because it feels nice having a light off. What the hell? I'm not too sure any of you get that thing. It's like when you look at your screen or whatever it is you're looking at, around you, like away from the TV, yes, away from the TV, you can see something flash, like, what the hell was that? Okay, so, I like this guy. He protects you for 3 days and keep the entity out, so, you know, keep people alive or... Oh. Do that. Get lost, demon. Yeah, so Jesus. Get lost. Jesus, I'm too dying. I saw you trying to do this. Get lost. God. Demon. So I keep throwing. Didn't Didn't I have you? Thank you for saving me. Here's a night here with something in pizza. Oh, thank you, my brother. Get off. God damn it. Ah. Oh, okay, this one good, dude. Yo, my car broke down outside the hotel. I'm starving, and I can smell food from your wound. Can I get some? You are lifesaver. Goodbye, my friend. Texting my friend, I know it's bad. It's a cake. Okay, I don't trust it. I don't. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, don't tell I got a critical feeling. Who are you? What's up with him body? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna make this video quick and short because, well, my friend is out for the gym and I will play with her when she gets back. Hey, little Buddha, take the 50. 150. Blah blah blah. I felt bad for the clown. Like when I first saw him waving, it's like, oh no, no. But is he actually good or something? Oh, he looked casual. Let him in. Yeah.
Front desk here. I just saw the anomaly.
Yeah, you're too late for the. Yeah, you're too late for the window, buddy. Okay, so I don't know if he's gonna be going anytime soon or when.
There's a guy with a knife wandering in the hotel. Make sure you turn off the light when you go to sleep.
Good thing I checked that first. Camera first. Yep, thought so. Oh my god.
Hey, are you still alive? I was a little bit worried when I saw it on camera. That thing will show up at my side any time now. Stay safe.
Yes. Oh my god, yes, peace. Such moisturized sugar. Okay. I'm not looking at you. You look a bit funny. I only need safe wounds from the night. That sounds familiar, but I need to check the camera for my. Nope, you translucent. I cannot have your kind in my ears, you demon. Ah, kitty. The pussycat. There's an opportunity to take it or give it away, but then I was so. No. Oh, you were producing. Oh. Please, I need to say somewhere into the space. It's safe. God. Dead body, yep, I'll get lost. Dead body. Dead body. You want no. Ow. Okay. Ow. Okay. Oh. Charming. They explode. Oh. I think I had my light off at all time, didn't I? Oh. You two again? Oh yeah. Is that what I thought? Ah, my brother. Yo, my car broke down outside the hotel and I stopped and I smell food. can I get some? I only have one food. You can only have one bite. Even though it's just, yeah. Oh. Sharing is caring. Let's see. Just to go.
Back.
Okay, okay, so since I didn't get that special treatment skip thing, I didn't. Yep. So yeah, I didn't get that special treatment. Keep the light off at all time. Mother Moanda? Oh, he coming. Who? Oh. What in the Lord? Oh, thank God I'm recording. Don't move. Oh, I just got the. Okay. Old Granny, I believe. Can we stay for tonight until morning? Who's we? Wow. Hide. Okay. Good lord. I'm at 30 sanity. I don't know how long I can keep my sanity up for. Okay, there's the doctor thing. Okay. Okay. So I got the protection thing or whatever. Okay, that is weird. Pretty sure I saw a skull. Quick and simple. Ow. Son of a bitch. Alright, nothing there this time. Yep, cool, you come back. Nope. Yes. Okay, a woman outside. No translucencies or anything. There we go.
After this day is over, I'll give you the key. So sit tight and survive until then.
Okay, so, I probably won't spoil it, but I probably might, might do it again to show you all. Yeah, so the money on the top right is the money you earn and the money you spent in game. Ah. Well, since I got a bodyguard, I could let him in and he deal with them. Let's do it. Only because I want to get the day going. So the bodyguard, I sleep. Next day, I'm a survivor. There we go. Your bloodhound is actually surviving, y'all.
I have a key for you if you want to leave the hotel, but I wouldn't do that if I were you. You know the monsters are not going anywhere.
Well, if you offered me a key, you wouldn't come here with the key. So I'm taking the key.
Take this key, and good luck.
I would have good luck. Yeah, man. Don't know why you have to face at the door. You have to face away. Any more picture? Ugly, ugly. What with the red knob? Yeah, that looked bad. I don't want to go down there. Isn't the exit you're looking for? There we go. Let this one end in. But you can go unlimitedly. Alright, so since I've done that gameplay where you get off.
You know, there's something familiar about you. You look a lot like one of my guests from a while back. They stayed here on a night that felt special. Just like tonight. I never saw them again after that. But forget I said anything. It's probably just the blood moon making me overthink things.
You think so? Ooh. That's the same thing? Yep, same thing. But this one is different. Oh, sanity 100. Ooh.
Welcome to the hotel. The town's in permanent quarantine, so checkout is suspended indefinitely. The anomalies outside aren't going anywhere, and neither are you. So check who's at the door, check the window, and most importantly, keep at least one person in your room.
Keep at least one person. Oh. Oh no. Alright, that sounds easy. Hang on, lady, hang on. Okay, you seem clean, but at the same time, being on the stage, something for at least one person. Oh god, 66666. Upside down cross, are you mental, man? Flip the crusty da vale. Oh, he doesn't look friendly. Yes, I can deal with him. doesn't look creepy at all. I'm gonna keep that off. Eesh, that was loud. Translucent. If you are from across the room from me, fine. I'm from a room across from you. I need to get inside. Oh god, his arm bent backward. Okay. Occupied, oh, no one in here. Creepy ass motherfucker. Oh, that money guy again. Your dick, you're 50 and gram. Granny. That wasn't creepy at all. Oh god, she's gonna run. Not too sure if a blood moon is event or well endless or something.
Bruh.
Where did the carpet come from? Wait a minute. Oh no. Okay. Fixing my friend. I know that is not good and healthy. Oh, click to order, yes. I love that. Oh, what? You made me lost my sanity, but alright, good thing I ordered pizza. I ordered my pizza. That is so good. Yeah, that's so good. Oh, when you go, yes. Oh, what the? I have to promise in your room is. Let's just say. Oh. Oh. That was sweet. Oh. She praying. Oh. Crucifix. No, I go in this room. A day drop from your memory. Oh no! No! Let me clean. I don't have a torch. Oh god! I'm not moving. No, I'm not moving. Oh. Yep, stay back. Get lost. Yes. Oh, yes, please. Please. Eat. Check. Okay, that's the clown.
Yummy!
Oh my god. I'm an asshole. Oh. Nope, you're not coming in. Be gone. Fucked. Oh no, I know what that means. Oh no. Biddy.
Yummy! Yummy!
I think I... Did that cake like... Oh no. Yes! I need you! Get in here! You son of a bitch! Get I need you. You fucking task. Son of a bitch. Who is it? Oh, it's you again. Just fuck off. Oh, you think you're gonna deal with them, ain't ya? Let's be safe. I'm going to chill. It's funny. I was playing with one of my mates earlier, and I yawned like mad because I wasn't doing anything, and plus we were playing Minecraft, and I getting tired, and it's like, well, not tired, but yawning. It's like, why am I getting yawning? That's not fair. Oh, speaking of yawning, that's bad. Oh, there's a mad scientist. My man is not here to help me. Alright, that one is believable. I wonder what happened when that deer jump scared me. Okay, he head is swanky tilted thing. Get lost. How am I supposed to know? Ow. Below me. Nothing here. No clown. No, son of a bitch, will you get lost already? Oh my god. Okay. I swear to God, if you make me drop my sanity down again, I swear to God. Yeah, I got me my sanity. I got me my sanity. Oh, son of a bitch. You're not getting me today. Be gone. Oh no. Okay, it's a translucent go. Oh, okay. Oh god. I don't have any sanity. Where you? Oh my god. Is he gonna be in my room now? Oh shit. Oh my god. No. Eat. Oh my god. might be the longest night I ever have on the day. Oh god. Who is it now? Delivery. Yes, delivery boy. Watch King? Nope, just a grandpa. Hopefully that someone I can sleep with. There we go. Lord of heaven. Someone crucified me. That don't count as a crucified. Alright. Who's going to come? Of course, it's her. Leave. Okay, she's not gonna leave until. Look like a casual man. Hopefully that is a casual man. Usually also annoying. Let me get some sleep. Thank you for trusting me. Day 10. Last day. Alright. Their body. Who is this tapping out a window? Like, oh my god. Wow, already. Oh. Oh, and it's even there. Huh? Who knocked the door? Okay, a casual man? Casual man, look like we've got some stings in that at the back. Today 11, okay. Claiming this the last day. Well, I do need to end that video. I've been recording for an hour and I need to edit it all, so I want to see what it's like when it jump scare me. One more time. Well, that was fun. I hope you liked this video, like and subscribe, and see if I do part 2 in my friend. If not, I do it on my own. Bye bye.